So I'm already at Michael's and I wanted to take you all along with me. We are going to do some shopping for my painting and paintbrushes and all. So I will make a whole different video of a whole of the things that I got from Michael's. Are you all ready? Let's go. Flowers are so beautiful. So we have all different types of painting brushes over here, and I am looking for a set, probably something like this. So I have the fan brush and also a knife. So hopefully I'll get these two. I enjoy looking at all these different brushes. Every single brush has its own name and use, and that's what I've been learning lately, how to clean them, what brush is used for what. These are all of the cleaners. Please let me know down below in the comment box, comment section, which one do you prefer for your acrylic brush. Looking at this one, I've never tried this before, but maybe I'll give it a try. But this one, once again, please comment below and let me know which one do you use to clean your brushes. Acrylic paint. All these beautiful colors, it's so cool. Look at all these bright greens and blues and whites, and it's just amazing. This is a happy place. These are all oil paintings and these are acrylics. There's so many choices and options over here, and I can't wait to show you all that I get. And my latest painting will be trying to paint like Bob Ross. That's gonna be exciting. We have all the paints over here, acrylic paints, and I'm looking for turquoise. This is a nice one. That's cobble teal, turquoise deep, turquoise cobble. So I'm definitely planning to upgrade my skills by practicing more and more, because with art you need a lot of practice, right? So I can say it's like beginners for me, because it's been so long since I last painted, and I painted a few different canvas painting, acrylic paintings, which I'll link it down below, so make sure you check it out. So talking about the canvas, the painting I'm trying to actually go for, it's a Bob Ross painting, and obviously Bob Ross painting, landscape paintings are huge, so I'm looking for a decent size of canvas on which we can work, and that's a nice one too. My choice of canvas for that's 16" by 20", and we're gonna see what else they have over here. I got everything that I need for my upcoming painting, but I'm super excited to explore more, because this is a place where you get to see all of the artistic stuff, and that's what I love doing. So I'm gonna explore more with you all. Also comment down below if there are any specific colors or brands of acrylic paints which you use for your painting, or any specific sets of brushes which you recommend. I have different palettes over here, and I think I'll go for this one. And these are all sorts of different pens, felt tip pens, fine brush, chisel tip pens, and a lot more. Just look at these colors, guys. Try this gel pen. Looks quite interesting. It's a beautiful landscape painting outdoors by Michael Chelsea. Guys, I found my favorite artist's book over here, and that's Bob Ross, and he's the one I was talking about. That's what I found, The Art of Bible Journaling. Nice. I'm gonna look at this one as well. More than 60 step-by-step techniques for expressing your faith creativity. And also, if you guys don't know, I have a faith channel, which I'll link it down below, so make sure you check it out. Alright guys, so I'm back home, and this is a small haul for you all as I promised. So these are some of the acrylic paints I got. That includes the different shades of blue, as well as yellow, green, as well as black. And I also have liner brush number 2, as well as the set of these different brushes, because I always wanted a fan brush. I never had a fan brush, so I got that. It was a whole set. I was gonna get wooden palette, but I decided to get the white one, so I got this as well, and a canvas for my upcoming painting, 16 by 20 inch canvas. So yeah, this is it for today. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and make sure you have subscribed to my channel. That way you will get notified whenever I upload new videos, so that you don't miss any videos. I will also link down below in the description box my other channel, which is faith-based channel link. So if you're one of those who are interested, please check it out. I can't wait to share with you all my artwork and create along with you. Again, my next painting is going to be all about following Bob Ross painting. So make sure you're subscribed. I'll see you next time, and thank you for watching. Bye.